know. I'm getting ready for my match with Cody Rhodes. And Cody, you better get ready. Because the Apex Predator, the Viper, the Legend Killer, is about to kill the bloody nightmare. And I promise you that you will never, ever come back to the company. After I'm done with you, Cody, I'm going to send you back to a retirement home. What the hell? Oh my God! Get this, old man, huh? You want to beat Cody? You gotta go through us, huh? Oh man, come on. Come on, you can't do this. You're too weak, huh? Garcia, start stomping. Start stomping, Garcia. This is for you, Cody Rhodes. And this is the message of Seth Rollins. Get him, huh? You don't deserve the spotlight anymore. The Nightmare Factory does. You've had your time. It's ours now. Oh my God. Get here, son of bitches. You better start running. The Seth freaking around is coming there. Get over here. Garcia, get here, Garcia. Randy, you okay? You okay, Randy? Randy! Yeah, I'm okay. Okay. Sounds pretty good, huh? What do you want us to do? Won't be able to fight tonight. But I have a plan. Call him. Him? Why him? He's the only man who really has a chance of getting us a little advantage on stopping the Nightmare Factory. Sorry, Randy, I forgot to take him out. Okay, that's who you want to replace you. So be it. I'll get him now. So, if Cody doesn't lose tonight, your championship reign is at risk. Be careful. It's very dangerous.